Irish singer CMAT has won the prestigious Ivor Novello Award for Best Album. In her acceptance speech, the 30-year-old Meath woman called out what she said was the rise of fascism, adding, "Now is not the time to sit on the fence." Her record, Euro Country, triumphed over Lily Allen, Olivia and Wolf Alice.
There is some things only I can see.
Sharp humour, vivid storytelling and exceptional songwriting craft. That's how judges described CMAT's Euro Country when awarding it the Best Album at the prestigious Ivor Novello Awards. And it was a characteristically outspoken acceptance speech from the 30-year-old from Dunboyne, in which she criticised Bertie Ahern and Nigel Farage before making this appeal.
Now I would compel my fellow artists in the room, it is not the time to sit on the fence. I have no time, sympathy or empathy for anybody that decides to make life more difficult for people who are just trying to live. And that's what this record is about.
This was her second Ivor Novello nomination and her first win.
This is a huge honour for CMAT. She's joining the ranks of icons like Elton John, Paul McCartney, Adele in winning an Ivor Novello. And what makes the Ivor Novello so special is it really celebrates the craft of songwriting, what goes into making the song, as opposed to the commercial success or the popularity.
It caps a remarkable 12 months for the Meath woman, which has seen her top the charts, headline major music festivals and cement her status as one of Irish music's most distinctive voices. Kate Varley, RTÉ News.